this is my channel. I do beauty and lifestyle videos, so if that's something you like, don't forget to subscribe. And let's get on with the video. Last week Sunday it was my birthday, so with my birthday money that I got, I decided to buy myself a camera, my first camera. So I thought I'd unbox it for you. And I also got a tripod, and I've ordered screen protector for the screen for the camera, but it hasn't arrived yet. So I thought I'd unbox it all for you. And why I got it was because I had my birthday money to buy it with, so I could do whatever I wanted with the money. Not that I'm bragging, but it was my choice. And when I'm filming on my phone, I can't actually see what I'm doing because I use the back camera. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, if you're wondering, and I never have enough storage, so I'm always deleting stuff. I have to stop, check that I'm still recording in case it doesn't have enough storage. So yeah, that's the reason for that. Not that I had to have a reason, because it was my own money. But yeah, so let's get into this tripod first. So I got this off Amazon. Or really I should talk about the screen protector. So if you want to see what screen protector I've got, I'll put it here. Yeah, I'll put it here. And I've got the Savies, I don't know how you say it, screen protector off Amazon for $2.99 for 6. But there was, from the same brand, you could get 5. Was it 5? No, 3 for $5.99. So I went with the 6 for $2.99. So I don't know how they're gonna come out. And plus, I didn't want to pay $5.99 for 3 of them when there was 1 for 6, and it was the exact same thing, just less for more. Yeah, so I'm waiting for that to come. That should come in a couple of days. And then I got this off Amazon too. This is just the box. This is the Polar. I'm looking here because I have notes. This is the Polar Duck mini tripod from Amazon, and it was $8.99. And what you get in it, it's just a mini tripod because I would be gone already. You get a GoPro, what is this called? Like attachment, a GoPro attachment. I'll put that in there later. And a phone attachment for it as well, which I like. You're getting more for your money. And I did have a mini tripod. This one I got in a set with my for my GoPro when I went to Florida. But it does have the bendy one, which is good. But if I pull it too far, it breaks, and you have to push it back on. And I just didn't think that was sturdy enough for my camera. Sorry if you can hear my brothers. So I got the Polar Duck one. There was a something, and it was more expensive, but the review said this one was better. So I got this one. You also get like a little instruction thing that tells you about it. It's got quite a good weight to it. It just looks like that, and it just goes out like that. This, and then you press that to, oh god, it's so hard to press, to move this bit. Oh god. So yeah, that'd be good for the camera because it's sturdy. It don't seem like these will break. Yeah, it's good to hold. So like that. Okay, so let's get into the camera, the bit everyone's waiting for. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what I film on now, I have a newer, I don't know how you say it, a newer 18-inch ring light stand thing, and then I have the phone adapter thing on it with my phone in, but I'm using the back camera because it's better quality than the front camera. But yeah, so let's just look at that. So for the camera that I got, about to make a lot of noise. Anyway, I'll put it here. So I got the, I don't know if I should put it here. I got the Canon G7X Mark II. I know they come out with a Mark III, but loads of people were saying that the autofocus wasn't very good on it. So I thought I'll just get this one, even though it's been out for ages. But I know a lot of people who use this and swear by it. So I thought it was a good investment. So I will keep this forever and ever and ever. Okay, so let's get into opening it. I'm trying to open it but still hold it. Okay. So I just got the normal, just the camera by itself. I don't feel the need to get everything that comes with it. So that's what it looks like. So in it you have the instruction manual, and I shall be reading that because I'm the type of person that will read it, because I like to know everything about the camera. And then we have the cord for the charger, just like an English cord. You get the battery, very small. And you get the strap, the camera, I shall be using that as well. And you get the charger, which just looks like that. So I'm going to put that on charge. And then for the final bit, the best bit, this is what I'm most excited for. The camera, so it comes in like a plastic thing. I didn't buy a case for it yet. I should have, but it'll be alright for now. Oh my god. So if you know me, then you know that I've watched so many videos on this camera. Let me show you. Okay, so let me show you. And this is why I wanted it so much. Literally shaking. I've just got a fingerprint on it. I'll show you close up. Oh god. It comes out like that. So if you wanted to do, one like this, but still be able to see it. Okay, so I'm just being patient to wait for the battery to charge, so I'm just gonna use it. It should have some battery in it. When it's charging, the charge bit with the light next to it will be orange, and then when it's full up, and it normally only takes 2 hours to charge fully, and it will go green. Obviously it's not charged up fully yet because I'm too impatient. Okay, so that's where the SD card goes, and that's where the camera goes. And with the SD card, you put it in like that, and you just put it in, then you'll hear a click, and then you just have to lock it. Okay, so I'm gonna set the date and time. It's the 28th with the call 2020, and the time is, what is the time? Okay, so to press next, you have to press set, which is this one. Let me sit back now. It focuses so well. Anyway, so you zoom in with this. Yeah, So I'm gonna put it on the tripod and then start filming and put it side by side. Okay, before I do that actually, let me place down. So I got this off of eBay for £381 and it's brand new. There was loads for cheaper, but they were all like really scratched up and I wanted a new one. So yeah, as I was saying, I have the newer 18-inch ring light that I got off Amazon. I don't know how much for. By the way, if you are gonna order like a camera off eBay, make sure you check like the reviews on the actual seller to make sure they're not fake. That's it on the tripod. I'm gonna flip the screen. Okay, so to record on it, you have to just hit this button and this button. So I'm gonna do some of the audio on my phone with the mic because I have a microphone, and then I'm gonna do some on the camera. Oh God, it's so clear. I don't mind my cold sore. It's healing. So yeah, so I'm gonna see which one's better. So I'm gonna put it on the table and then I'm gonna try and autofocus it on stuff compared to the camera, my phone camera, by the way. Focusing or not, because I can't see obviously. Okay, now let's try the camera. Let's try the back as well. Sometimes it's good at focusing, sometimes it's not. It takes a little bit. So I'll be back when the camera's fully charged, so it probably won't have all the backdrop in the ring light out, so we can see it in natural daylight. Maybe we can go outside and hear what it's like there. And yeah.